Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna start by making the stuffing for Dziriettes. So start by mixing your almond powder with sugar and the vanilla liquids. So if you don't want vanilla liquid, you can of course use vanilla powder. And mix it together. Then you just add a small amount, just like this, really small, like 1 spoon of orange tree flower water, and mix it again. You're gonna add your eggs, so always add your eggs one by one, because you're gonna see I'm using 4 of them, but maybe you only gonna need 3 of them. It's just, like the powder almond, they're always different, so maybe yours gonna absorb less than mine. So just mix them like one by one. You need your stuffing to be soft, but it shouldn't be like liquid or anything, that's why. It's always better to take your time and being sure than, just rushing into it and just having something which is wrong. Yeah, just like this, you can see it's really soft. Then I add the last one. So the last one I did it just little by little, it's just making sure. Maybe I'm not gonna need all of it. Then you put your stuffing into the cling film and you're gonna leave it to rest the whole night in the fridge. Yeah. Then the next day you're gonna have to do like the honey syrup, which I haven't made a video for it, but you have the recipe just here. And we're gonna start by making the dough. So you start by taking your flour and add the vanilla. So same, I'm using vanilla liquid, but you can use vanilla powder if you want. And you add the smen. So if you want, you can use butter instead of smen, but just advise you to use smen for this recipe. Then you mix it all together. Just make sure there is no like pieces of butter. Make sure it just mixed properly. Yeah, the best is just like this, you scrub all the ingredients between your hands. Then you're gonna start adding, always add this liquid little by little, but its liquid is, as you can see in the description, it's water mixed with orange tree flower water. So just add it little by little, because maybe you're not gonna need all of it. I did use all of it, but it depends every time how everything absorb your liquids. So as you can see, the dough is like not too soft but not too hard either. Yeah, just like this. Then you're gonna put clean film on it and leave it rest for at least 1 hour to room temperature. And then if you want to see the part 2 of Dziriette, press on the video displayed on the left or on my YouTube channel. Thank you.